Welcome to Switch It Up.
Yeah, welcome.
We have a confession. It's time for some confessions.
Uh-oh.
The confession
you
is...
didn't tell me this is what we were
confession
doing.
video.
Yeah.
We don't have any content for this video. We just needed to do some updates for you because we just finished our huddle.
Oh, I guess if that's all you're confessing, we're good.
So we're gonna roll the intro and we're gonna give you some little updates and just take a moment out of our normal hectic busy hiking and biking and kayaking and whatever else we can find along our adventures, our bickering, and we're going to unite and we're going to talk this evening for a moment.
As we sit on a tree by the river.
Roll the intro.
A man and a woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. And they didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
And we're both back.
I didn't go anywhere.
No, I mean them, you sitting there,
okay.
and us, we're both back. I know you're super excited.
We have some updates. We just want to fill you in on some things we've been processing and yada yada.
So actually we just finished our Utah huddle and you'll be seeing that video coming very soon because we did a lot. It was so much, from horseback riding to ATVs to stargazing to hikes to food. I can't even think of what else. Oh, took everyone on an e-bike ride. We were like a gang going down the path.
we were in Bryce Canyon and that was beautiful. So we have some beautiful views we'd love to share with you in that video. We met some great people. Had a great week.
Yes.
I guess it was just weekend.
Well, it was like 4 or 5, it was long. It was 5 days, 4 or 5 days. That video will be coming out probably the next video.
Next week.
Yes, so it'll be really pretty neat for you guys to kind of get caught up on that, which should, I guess, could segue to other huddles in the future.
Oh yeah, we still have a few spots left for our February huddle in Florida.
There's a couple things going on there though. We're doing a dinner. At the
We
Tampa,
always do dinner.
I know, at the Tampa RV show.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the huddle.
I know, but there was
He's all look at him all messed
I'm always
up.
doing that.
Okay,
But
so
if you
the
start
huddle in February.
Correct.
But we do have at the Tampa RV show the Wednesday prior. We still have a few spots left for a meet and greet at a brewery during the week of the Tampa RV show.
And then the huddle in Florida, how many spots do you think are left?
Between 25 and 30.
Now, that's going to have a lot of special stuff, from the dinner cruise to we're bringing in amazing talent, and there's just going to be some surprises there.
Yeah, that'll be a lot of fun.
And
I'm
then
looking forward to that one.
The next huddle will be Tennessee. So all of that info you'll find on our website. So go to switchitup.com and then you can register for the newsletter, and that helps out, you know, to keep in the loop. Yeah, click on the events tab, and then once you click on that, you can see the huddle schedule.
Okay, so now can I tell them the next thing?
Absolutely, because I just thought that was a good segue.
Oh, well, before we segue to the next thing, how about we tell you about, we're gonna do a meet and greet in Kansas City in October.
Oh, that's right. Yes, this is coming up. There's some surprises coming, just letting you know. That's called a teaser. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. You'll be looking for notifications and stuff on that. So it will be in Kansas City in the middle of October. For an afternoon. It'll just be an afternoon event.
No, he's wrong again. It's from 9 to noon. How's that afternoon?
Well, I guess, yeah, that's
it's called morning.
Morning to afternoon. It's still like 3-4 hours, whatever it is. It's not like an all-day thing or a camp out.
October 22nd from 9 to noon out at Unlimited RV in Independence. We would love to see you come out. We are going to have some food trucks, going to be some live music, and we're just be talking. All the RVs are going to be open for you to just kind of...
We're going to tour those. It's a free event, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, we'll be there hanging out. We'd love to meet you.
We're known as, we're going to be the Kansas City influencers coming from out of town.
But Kansas City is home.
I know, it's home for us.
Okay.
So,
right,
but you might see us on news and radio and stuff. That'll be kind of exciting. You don't
living my best life.
Yes. What else?
Okay, so here's the probably our biggest announcement that we wanted to share with you guys. We have just we've been on the road almost, January will be 2 years.
Right.
2-year anniversary. I think for a while we were just figuring out kind of all the things we wanted to see
the rhythm.
Kind of, yeah, what is our rhythm going to be? And we kind of fell into what our favorite thing is, and that is our community. Building memories with the crew, meeting you guys on the road. And then so next year we want to be able to spend more time building that community with our events and other things we have coming.
Surprises.
So we're going to move down to 1 video a month starting in November.
Not a month. She said 1 video a month. Wow.
That was my Freudian slip.
1 video a week.
Okay, we maybe need to start that part over.
No, you're good. Yeah.
1 video a week, because that'll allow us the bandwidth that we need to really focus on the stuff that means a lot to us, which is the community.
Yes. And on top of that, next year we have 5 huddles plus a couple of surprising things that we have planned that we won't announce for now. But
5 huddles, several events, some meet and greets, some conferences.
It's a lot. Now, this doesn't, she is allowing your boy Todd to, if something comes up, to go ahead and post an extra video
hold on,
for the
hold
week.
up a second.
Yeah.
I'm allowing. Please.
Well, I mean you know what I'm saying.
Like,
you're a schedule. You're a planner. But
yes,
we're going to commit to the 1 day, but your boy Todd, if he comes up with something, we might be shooting those extra ones.
Well, and there will always be something extra. We've got a live we need to put in there.
Yes.
Like, we'll figure out those days, but we will always post a video on Sundays clockwork.
You have to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. So that way, if we do the extra stuff, you'll still get notified instead of having to always look for Switch It Up. I'm kind of excited about it because it'll give us some bandwidth for the things that we would like to do. And you know, it doesn't ever get smaller with us. It only gets bigger.
Dream bigger.
Dream bigger, go home.
Yeah.
And since almost all the channels only do 1 video a week anyway, we were really hustling for the last 2 years. We are not suffering burnout.
Nope.
Do not think that at all. That has nothing to do with it, because I would still do Vlogtober and do a video every single day. And Sheila's like, oh, we just can't do that.
You can do that if you don't want me in it.
Yeah, okay, we'll see. We'll see. There's always that opportunity too. But we are excited about some of these changes that will come in November. You have a heads up on that.
Don't freak out and think, oh my gosh, you're going to get so far ahead. Nope, that's not going to be.
Not our style.
That's not how we're going to roll with that. We just need the planning and work time in order to work on our community.
The bandwidth. We need some bandwidth.
Yes.
Now, 2 videos a week is still doable, but I don't ever want to be a channel where you're watching our content that we shot in July and it's October. That's never gonna be our style. We'll find a way to deal with that, but as of now, this is kind of what we're thinking. Be prepared for some fun.
It doesn't actually give me more bandwidth unless you help.
Okay, I guess
because you're going to get a video off your plate doesn't mean that it doesn't increase my bandwidth unless you help me.
I guess that's true. Well, we do have Megan. Megan helps out a lot.
Yeah, but with what we got planned, we need more.
Yes,
I'm gonna need you.
You guys buckle up. You thought we pulled out like surprises in the past? You dream bigger. Yeah, like she says, dream big, go home.
It's always been my motto.
Yes, we want to thank you for always tuning in, always supporting, always sharing the videos, always leaving a comment to really get the word out to other people to know that who Switch It Up is, being part of the community with the flags and the shirts. And it really is a humbling experience. And after a huddle, it's always kind of like, wow, this is amazing that we all, it's not Sheila and I, it's we all are doing something pretty amazing.
Yeah, we're on the brink of something pretty special, and it's just because of you guys and the community that we've been able to build. It all started out just thinking, hey, let's go see the United States, and it turned into something so much more, and that's what we plan on focusing on in 2023.
Yep, so next videos, get ready, we're back in Adventure World. We're not very far ahead on any of our content. So
we never are.
No, we're like 2 weeks.
That's on a good day.
That's on a good day. Like right now, we're shooting this video for tomorrow.
And then I've got some adventure hikes planned, so you better get some beauty rest for tomorrow.
I know. It's already gonna be crazy.
Here we go.
Thanks, guys. Hope this helped. Always leave a comment down below of questions that you might want or have answered, because when we do our lives, it also helps us circle back around to maybe answer those questions when we do the lives. And we're still gonna do those. We're just gonna probably move them a day in November.
Same stuff though for October.
All right.
All right.
Same bat channel, same bat.
Vlogtober.
Maybe I don't know. I still love Vlogtober. I know.
Starts this weekend.
I know. Oh.
I win. We're out.